Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how to add dynamic rows in the system configuration. Okay, so this is the system configuration. You can see I can add the multiple from this to this, and the price text will be 34 and save yes or no, and we can add it and the save the configurations. You can check the configuration, flush the cache, and if you go to the stores configuration journal, you can see all the values are saved. Right, currently we have added this one. If I go to the localhost, my admin, login, here is my Magento, demo Magento. Is there any? Maybe this one. Core underscore config. So this what is the URL of this? No, this is not that one. Demo Magento, this one. Core underscore config. If I go and check this one, so I have added whatever. Let's check it is coming or not. Single store information. This one, full of the full JSON is there. You can see from to this one. So it is added like this in the if you are making this dynamically rows. So this is the formation that it is added like this. Okay. So we have already added it. Let's check out how we are going to create it. Okay. So be with me. Let's go to the tutorial. So first of all, let me go to my module. So this is my module. Okay, go one step ahead. This is my module software solutions. What we have to do, etc admin module.xml, you know, module.xml, after that config.xml, where you need to define the default values. So here I am defining the default values. Okay, after this we have to go for the admin html system.xml for creating the tabs, right? So here you can specify the journal, and here you can specify the label and ranges. Here you can front end model, that this is the model that we are using, and back end model, this is the default one that is going to pass array serialized into the database, right? So software solutions block admin form field ranges, what it's gonna do, let me open it. So this is the file. So it is creating the columns, add column. Okay, so it will add all the columns, and this after false add button label add, so you can change the label button, this one. Okay, prepared array row, so it will append the data to that row, and get text render, that is for the yes or no. So get text renderer is basically text column, where which we have the get source options yes and no. Okay, so these are the files that we have to create, and by using this you will able to get these values, and you can delete these values, and you can save these values accordingly. Go to the cache, flash this cache, stores configuration. You can see everything is working perfectly, so you can get these values, and you can use it. Like you can say you can see with the you can manage it with like CMS blocks. You can define the CMS blocks accordingly with the product ID, so you can get the respective with the product detail page. So you can use it as any type of things, right? So you can manipulate it, and you can use it. So this is how we can use the dynamic rows in system configuration. I hope you understand and you like my video, so please do share, like, and comment on my video. Have a great day. Thank you.